Mallanna Sasalu, the CEO, South at Puravankara, joining in on the show right now. Mr. Sasalu, great to have you today on ET Now. Thank you for your time. Tell us about this recent acquisition of this land parcel in Sarjapur in Bangalore. The potential GDV of about almost 1,000 crore rupees, as we understand. Help us with the details. When is the expected launch timeline? What do you intend to build?
Thank you, Aisha. Thanks for having me on the show. Yeah, we've had some good times. So this is in East Bangalore on Sarjapur Road. It's around 6.4 acres and 900,000 square feet of developable area with around 1,000 crore rupees of top line expected. This is in line with what we are doing in this quarter. So far, we have done around 4.2 million square feet of total developable area, around 42 acres of land that kind of yield, and 5,200 crore rupees of total developable value GDV that we have done in this quarter. That includes one in northeastern Bangalore on OMR, off OMR, 14.57 acres, which was outright, and some revenue sharing, so around 1.82 million square feet of total developable area. And also one more we did in North Bangalore, and it's called Dodagubi, where it's around 11.23 acres of land that we entered into a joint development and a developable value of around 1,100 crore rupees. And also there was another Bangalore North acquisition that we did. This was an outright purchase of 9.73 acres with a developable area of around 0.82 million square feet and a value of around 800 crore rupees. So it's all in all, it's fantastic, and we've done well. This is continuation of what we did from FY25. In FY25, we had made acquisitions worth 13,000 crore rupees of top line, and in FY26 that we did 15,200 crores. This is as we are selling, selling and bringing the units to the market. We need to replenish that. So in that line, that we are doing well.
It's quite intriguing that traditionally known for the IT sector boom, a city like Bangalore, and the fact that that sector is in a slowdown, you're actually expanding your presence even further in the city. And apart from this project that we just talked about, you've acquired some more land parcel, I believe, in Bangalore. Tell me, what kind of growth are you anticipating in the city's real estate market?
One of the things is one is the growth, and we expect Bangalore city to be growing at 15%. More than that, the consolidation has happened and continue to happen because of the listed players, the trust that we have built over the last 50 years, and that'll pay us well. So we're expanding our market share in Bangalore market. So that's the efforts that we are putting together. As far as Bangalore is concerned, and as you may see that the office absorption continues to be strong, and it's not, IT has not gone anywhere. In my opinion, that with the AI coming in and the AI deployment, that will bring a lot of jobs to Bangalore. And as you may see that the AI, the people who are in the center of AI, like Google and NVIDIA, have taken large spaces in Bangalore. So we continue to grow. And Bangalore is not currently, I think we have moved beyond IT. And if you go to Bangalore North and Hardware Park and Aerospace Park, a lot of industrialization that has happened in Bangalore North area, where we are very confident that more jobs are going to be generated, and more manufacturing will come to Bangalore. So we are very bullish, and I think we have right reasons to be so.
Hi, Sajit here. Give us a sense of the kind of demand that you're getting from GCCs for your in Bangalore as a whole as a market, and are you also seeing good demand coming from for larger parcels of area from GCC and other companies?
Yeah. So as you may have noticed, Sajit, that last year in Bangalore, around whatever the area that was consumed, the GCCs took away 40 to 50% of that entire office area. So now the people are coming in and settling into this GCC, and maybe that is the reason why that these are a little bit more high-paying jobs compared to technology, which we expect that a little bit of larger areas and better specification and listed players. And in that order, maybe the preferences will go forward as far as GCC employees are concerned.
What has been the kind of pre-sales that we have been able to do in the first quarter so far?
So far, we have done well. So it's still that the numbers are being churned out, and so I think we have done well. So I just couldn't give you a number because of obvious reasons. That let's close the quarter, and then definitely we're going to announce what we have done so far in this quarter.
And for FY27, you had put in guidance there. Are you on track to meet that kind of guidance?
Yes, we are into 2.5 months or 3 months into the year, and so far that everything looks all right, and 11,200 crore rupees is the guideline that we gave, and we continue to hold on to that number. Considering the number of launches that we are expecting, we have launched around 25 launches are there, out of which 7 are phase launches and 18 are fresh launches that are planned for the year. I only hope that we are able to get our approvals on time, and so if that happens, not if that happens, I expect that will happen with those kind of initiatives that what we have. We should be able to reach that number.
The big concerns which is there is a rising interest cost. Are you looking to tap the market for equity?
But not right away. The equity, we are not looking at equities right away, and I think we are comfortable with the position that what we are in. The cash position is very good. The collections are very good, and we continue to grow with our internal resources and also the payable when able debt kind of situation. I think that is more cost efficient for us at this point of time. So we continue to grow that way at this point of time.
How are you looking at the commercial portfolio of yours and your entry into Bombay market?
Yeah, so now we have 5 redevelopment projects that are going on in Bombay. 2.67 million square feet of work is going on in Bombay, and also there are projects in Pune. What was the first question? Sorry.
Yeah, and
What
from
was the first question?
no, I just wanted to ask you about the commercial portfolio as well.
Commercial portfolio. Sorry, I missed that. Commercial portfolio is at 1.2 million square feet is now ready with occupancy certificate, and we are doing our best efforts to lease that out. And there are quite a number of RFPs running in the market, so we have participated in that. We're confident that we will be leasing that out soon. And we also have 800,000 square feet on Kanakpura Road, which is substantially leased out, 45 to 50% leased out or partially sold. So that's doing well, and IKEA has taken the ground for the first floor of 100,000 square feet plus in that building. And also we have a property in Hepal, which I think in the next maybe 6 or 8 months that we should be going for approvals and launching that project as well in the commercial portfolio.
Okay, good to hear that. Exciting times ahead. Mallanna, great to have you today on ET Now. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Aisha. Thanks for having me.